What's the meaning of benchmark? Benchmark. Benchmark.
Benchmark. Benchmark. Benchmark is a term used to describe a standard or point of reference by which something can be measured or evaluated. In computing, benchmarking refers to the process of evaluating the performance of a system or component against a known standard. It involves running a standardized test on a piece of hardware or software and comparing the results to a set of predefined criteria. Benchmarking is used to determine the speed, accuracy, and reliability of a system or component, and can be used to identify areas for improvement. It is an important tool in the development and optimization of computer systems and applications.